Shit. Oh? Oh my...
Hi everyone! So ngayon nandito kami sa Habanero Kitchen and Bar para ipatikim sa pinsan ko ang kanilang famous na 3 cheese pizza. And he topped it off with kanilang famous na mango and habanero sauce. And sobrang nagustuhan niya yung combination ng dalawa at napalakpak nga si Doc Jella, yung isang pinsan ko. Kahit napabalik-balik kami sa Habanero, we haven't tried this famous leche flan nila. Bakit siya famous? Kasi unique siya. Dahil nga, ang custard niya or ang kanyang leche flan is wrapped around an edible eggshell. And yung edible eggshell na yon is surrounded by coffee-flavored na cotton candy which acts like a nest. So yan, tinatry ng pinsan ko. Ilagay niya lahat in one bite with the cotton candy, with the flan, with the eggshell, and of course the dill.
Coffee?
Yeah, the cotton is coffee flavored with leche flan.